Hi, I'm Jiwon. I want to share with you our family trip to Miami. We stay at Fontainebleau Hotel in Miami South Beach. As a couple, we used to come here and stay at Hotel Suite. This time, as a family of four, we stay in one-bedroom residence building at Sorrento. Our room is 0809. It is a corner room. We enjoy seeing beautiful ocean view and a white sand beach from our balcony. Here my son is enjoying the view. Now let me take you to room tour. One bedroom suite has 1.5 bathroom, washer and dryer, fully equipped kitchen, sofa bed in the living room, and bedroom with master bathroom. Since we have 2 kids under 6 years old, it was nice to have a big living room with a kitchen. Fontainebleau has 4 towers and several swimming pools, including a small dipping pool for kids. We spend most of our time in the children's pool. It has a water slide and the pool is gradually get deeper. My 6 years old couldn't reach the bottom of the pool. The deepest part is 4 feet. Fontainebleau used to have a kids camp, but now they work with the itavi for childcare service. All childcare professionals are background checked, and you choose how many hours and time frame. We book for 3 days in the afternoon around 12 to 4 p.m. and then nighttime around 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. While kids are playing with the itavi childcare professional, my husband and I went to bar or club. Fontainebleau is known for nightlife. Leave Club is downstairs. Entrance is not guaranteed when you stay in the hotel when the famous DJ comes, but you can also purchase tickets for the club to guarantee your entrance in advance. I hope you enjoyed our family vacation. We want you to have a great time as a parents, not only kids having fun. Let me know if you have any comments or question below, and thanks for watching.